Hello students, let's do some more questions on trigonometry. Prove that sin cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta equals to, first we have to prove this equals to 4 by cot theta minus tan theta, and the same thing is equals to 4 tan theta minus 1 upon tan square theta. First take left hand side. In the denominator we have cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta plus sin theta. Let's take LCM cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta plus sin theta. In the denominator we have cos theta minus sin theta. What is left? Cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta. What do we get? Cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus. Here in the denominator we have cos theta plus sin theta. What is left? Cos theta minus sin theta, and cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. We have cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Now what is a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we will have cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus cos theta minus sin theta whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we have cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 times cos theta sin theta upon cos theta sin theta and cos theta minus sin theta. What is a plus b and a minus b? A plus b, a minus b is a whole square minus b whole square. So we have cos square theta minus sin square theta. On opening the bracket, the signs inside will change. We will have cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus cos square theta minus sin square theta plus 2 times cos theta sin theta upon cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta positive, negative cancelled. Sin square theta positive, negative, both cancelled. What is left with us? 4 sin theta cos theta upon cos square theta minus sin square theta. This we have simplified our left hand side. Now we have to prove this as 4 upon cot theta minus tan theta. बच्चे pause the video and note it down. I will grab it. Now we have 4 sin theta cos theta upon cos square theta minus sin square theta. What we have to prove? We have to prove 4 by cot theta minus tan theta. In the numerator we have 4 sin theta cos theta. What do we do? Let's divide numerator and denominator both with sin theta cos theta. You can't divide only numerator or only denominator. We have to divide with both numerator and denominator. We will have 4 sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta upon cos square theta minus sin square theta upon sin theta cos theta. Both get cancelled. We have 4 by cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta minus sin square theta by sin theta cos theta cos square theta, and in the denominator we have cos theta. What is left? Cos theta upon sin theta. Here sin theta minus cos theta. So what will we get? 4 by cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta minus tan theta. This we have proved. Now for the second proof, what we will do? We will again take the same term, 4 sin theta cos theta upon cos square theta minus sin square theta. This time we need 4 tan theta in the this way. We need 4 tan theta. How can we get tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So this time we will divide numerator and denominator by cos theta, cos square theta. We will divide by cos square theta. What we will get? 4 sin theta cos theta upon cos square theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos square theta and cos square theta. Cos theta get cancelled. Sin by cos 4 tan theta upon cos square theta is 1, and sin square theta upon cos square theta is tan square theta. We have proved our second answer also. Prove that sin A upon 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A upon sin A into cos A upon 1 minus sin A minus 1 minus sin A upon cos A is equals to sec A. Let's take left hand side. Taking LCM, 1 plus cos A into sin A. 1 plus cos A in the denominator, sin A into sin A whole square or sin square A. Both are same things. We have sin A in the denominator, 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A whole square. Put it in a bracket. Another one. What is LCM? 1 minus sin A into cos A. 1 minus sin A in the denominator, we will have cos A into cos A, cos square A, minus cos A in the denominator, 1 minus sin A into 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A whole square. We have sin square A plus 1 plus cos A whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. We have 1 square, 1 plus cos A whole square, cos square A, plus 2 times cos A upon 1 plus cos A into sin A, and here we have cos square A minus 1 minus sin A whole square, 1 square, that is 1 plus sin square A minus 2 sin A. Denominator is 1 minus sin A into cos A. Now we will rearrange these two, sin square A plus cos square A. What will we get? 1 sin square A plus cos square A, 1 plus again 1 plus 2 times cos A upon 1 plus cos A into sin A. Here we have cos square A minus sign outside the bracket, the signs inside will change, plus 2 sin A, denominator as it is, 1 minus sin A into cos A. Now 1 plus 1, we have 2 plus 2 cos A upon 1 plus cos A into sin A, and here we have these two terms are of sine. Here we have the term of cos. Let's change this term. Identity is cos square A plus sin square A is 1. Cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square A minus 1 minus sin square A plus 2 sin A. In the denominator we have 1 minus sin A into cos A. One positive negative cancel. बच्चे pause the video and note it down. Now, what is common in these two terms? 2 is common. What is left? 1 plus cos A. 2 can be written as 2 into 1. We have taken 2 outside. What is left? 1, not 0. Upon, in the denominator we have 1 plus cos A into sin A. And here we have minus sin square A and minus sin square A. Minus 2 sin square A plus 2 sin A upon 1 minus sin A and cos A. One plus cos A, 1 plus cos A, both the terms get cancelled. We have 2 upon sin A. Now here we have what is common in these two terms? 2 times sin A is common. What is left inside? Minus sin A plus 1 upon 1 minus sin A into cos A. Minus sin A plus 1 or 1 minus sin A, both are same. What is left with us? 2 upon sin A into 2 sin A upon cos A. Sin A and sin A both get cancelled. 2 by 2. We have 4 by cos A. And what is 1 by cos? Sec A. Sec is reciprocal of cos, which is equals to right hand side. Prove that sec square theta into sec square theta minus 2 plus 1 equals to tan की power 4 theta. Now बच्चे we have the term of sec square theta in the left hand side and in the right hand we have to prove in the form of tan. We have an identity 1 plus tan square theta as sec square theta. In place of this sec square theta, we can write 1 plus tan square theta. Here, again in place of sec square theta, we can write 1 plus tan square theta minus 2 and plus 1. Now, बच्चे, we have 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus 2 minus 1. We have tan square theta minus 1 plus 1. Now we have terms 1 plus tan square theta or tan square theta plus 1, one and the same thing. And another is tan square theta minus 1. If we had terms a plus b and a minus b, what do we get? A whole square minus b whole square. So we have tan theta minus 1 and tan theta plus 1. Tan square theta whole square minus 1 whole square plus 1. We have tan 4 theta minus 1 plus 1, both get cancelled. What is left? Tan power 4 theta, which is equals to right hand side. We have to prove that tan cube theta upon 1 plus tan square theta plus cot cube theta upon 1 plus cot square theta equals to sec theta cos sec theta minus 2 times sin theta cos theta. Now, taking left hand side, we have terms of tan and cot. In the right hand side, we have sec, cos sec and sin and cos. So, the first step will be change tan and cot in the form of sin and cos. What is tan theta? Sin theta upon cos theta. So, in place of tan theta, we can write sin cube theta upon cos cube theta. Because tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. And what will be the value of tan cube theta? Sin theta upon cos theta whole cube. Tan theta whole cube or tan cube theta, one and the same thing, and we can write it as sin cube theta upon cos cube theta. Upon, in the denominator we have 1 plus tan square theta can be written as sin square theta upon cos square theta, plus what is called reciprocal of tan or cos upon sin. So we have cos cube theta upon sin cube theta upon 1 plus cos square theta upon sin square theta. Clear? Now we will write denominator as it is, numerator. In the denominator we will take LCM, cos square theta. Here we will get cos square theta plus sin square theta, plus again numerator as it is, cos cube theta upon sin cube theta upon sin square theta. Denominator we have sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now बच्चे, what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. We have sin cube theta upon cos cube theta. In the denominator we have fraction. So what we will do? We will do the reciprocal of this. We will multiply the cos square theta, and in the denominator we will write cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is equals to 1, plus cos cube theta upon sin cube theta into reciprocal of denominator sin square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta. What will we get? Cos square theta in the numerator, cos cube theta in the denominator. We have sin cube theta upon cos theta, 3 minus 2 power 1 into cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Clear? Here we have sin square theta in the numerator, sin cube theta in the denominator. What is left with us? Sin theta. This term has become 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, and in the numerator we have cos cube theta. Now taking LCM, which is cos theta, sin theta. Cos theta we have in the denominator, sin theta into sin cube theta. We will have sin 4 theta plus, in the same way we have cos 4 theta. Now we have to prove in the form of sec and cos sec. Now what is a की power 4 plus b की power 4? If we have terms a की power 4 plus b की power 4, what we can write it as? A square plus b square whole square minus 2 times a square b square. A square plus b square whole square can be written as a की power 4 plus b की power 4 plus 2 times a square b square minus 2 times a square b square. What is left with us? A की power 4 plus b की power 4. Now sin की power 4 theta plus cos की power 4 theta can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta का whole square minus 2 times sin square theta cos square theta upon, in the denominator we have cos theta sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 and 1 का square is 1. We have 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta upon cos theta sin theta. If we have a term a plus b upon 2, we can separate it as a by 2 plus b by 2. Here we have 1 upon cos theta sin theta minus 2 times sin square theta cos square theta upon cos theta sin theta. What is 1 upon cos? Sec theta. 1 upon sin is cos sec theta minus 2 into sin square theta and sin theta in the denominator. What is left with us? Sin theta. Cos square theta in the numerator and cos theta in the denominator. We have left with cos theta, and this is equals to our right hand side. That 2 times sec square theta minus sec 4 theta minus 2 times cos sec square theta plus cos sec की पावर 4 theta equals to cot 4 theta minus tan की पावर 4 theta. Take these two terms. What is common? Sec square theta is common. Inside we have 2 minus sec square theta. Again take these two terms. What is common? We are taking sec minus cos sec square theta. If we have taken minus sign outside, the sign inside will change. So what is left inside? 2 minus cos sec square theta. This is our left hand side. In the right hand side, we need the terms of cot and tan. We have an identity 1 plus cot square theta as cos sec square theta. Another one is 1 plus tan square theta as sec square theta. Using these two identities, in place of sec square theta, we can write 1 plus tan square theta into 2 minus sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta minus cos sec square theta, and here we have 2 minus cos sec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta. Here we have negative sign outside the bracket. The signs inside will change. 2 minus 1 minus tan square theta. And here we have cos sec square theta into 2 minus 1 minus cot square theta. We have 1 plus tan square theta into 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus tan square theta minus cos sec square theta. We have to change this also. We can change it at this step. Here we can write cos sec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. Here also this is 1 plus cot square theta. We have 1 plus cot square theta. Here 2 minus 1 is 1 minus cot square theta. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta. We have 1 whole square, 1 minus tan square theta whole square, that is tan की power 4 theta. Minus 1 plus cot square theta, 1 minus cot square theta, 1 minus cot की power 4 theta. So we have 1 minus tan square theta minus 1 plus cot की power 4 theta, that power is 4. 1 and 1 get cancelled. What is left with us? Cot की power 4 theta minus tan 4 theta, which is our right hand side. X sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta equals to sin theta plus cos theta. This is given, and x sin theta is also equals to y cos theta. We have to prove that x square plus y square equals to 1. Now what is given? X sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equals to sin theta cos theta. X sin cube theta, a cube can be written as a की power 2 into a. So in place of sin cube theta we can write x sin theta into sin square theta plus y cos cube theta equals to sin theta cos theta. And what is x sin theta? X sin theta is equals to y cos theta. So in place of x sin theta, we can write y cos theta into sin square theta plus again y cos cube theta. We can write it as y into cos theta into cos square theta equals to sin theta cos theta. So what is common? Y cos theta is common. Inside we have sin square theta, y cos theta common. What is left? Cos square theta, and this is all equals to sin theta cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we have y cos theta as sin theta cos theta. Cos theta and cos theta get cancelled. What is the value of y? Sin theta. Now, first we will find the value of x. We have x sin theta as y cos theta. In place of y, we can write sin theta. X sin theta equals to sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cancelled. What is x? Cos theta. What will be the value of y square? Squaring both sides. Sin square theta. And x square will be cos square theta. Now what we will have to prove? Ki x square plus y square equals to 1. What is x square? Cos square theta plus what is y square? Sin square theta. And this is equals to 1. So x square plus y square is equals to 1. So we have proved our answer. If cosec theta minus sin theta is equals to m and sec theta minus cos theta equals to n, we have to prove that m square n की पावर 2/3 plus m n square की पावर 2/3 equals to 1. First take the term m square n. We will put the power later. M square n means what is m? Cosec theta minus sin theta whole square into n. N is sec theta minus cos theta. Clear? Cosec theta can be written as 1 upon sin theta. Cosec is reciprocal of sin minus sin theta whole square. Sec theta 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So what is LCM? Sin theta 1 minus sin into sin square theta power 2. Cos theta is LCM 1 minus cos square theta. Identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta. 1. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta upon sin theta whole square into 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta upon cos theta. Cos square theta whole square cos की पावर 4 theta upon sin square theta, and here we have sin square theta upon cos theta. Sin square theta get cancelled. Cos की पावर 4 theta upon cos theta. What is left with us? Cos cube theta. This is the value of m square n. What we have to find? We have to find the value of m square n की पावर 2/3. We are doing this first part. We can write it as cos cube theta can be written as cos theta whole cube की पावर 2 by 3. If we have a की part 3 and outside we have 2 by 3, 3 and 3 get cancelled. We will left with a square. So 3 and 3 get cancelled. What is left with us? Cos square theta. This is the value of m square n की पावर 2 by 3. Clear? बच्चे pause the video and note it down. Let's do part 2, m n square. m n square can be written as m. What is m? Cos sec theta minus sin theta into n का square. n is sec theta minus cos theta whole square. This is mn square. In place of cos sec, we have 1 upon sin minus sin. Sec is 1 by cos minus cos. Sin theta LCM, we have 1 minus sin square theta. Here we have cos theta LCM, 1 minus cos square theta whole square. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta by sin theta into, here we have 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta by cos theta whole square. So we have cos square theta upon sin theta into sin की पावर 4 theta by cos square theta. Cos square theta get cancelled. Sin की पावर 4 theta by sin theta. We have sin cube theta. This is m n square as sin cube theta or sin theta whole cube. What we have to find? m n square की पावर 2 by 3. m n square की पावर 2 by 3 will be sin theta whole cube and power 2 by 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled. We have left with sin square theta. This is the value of m n square की पावर 2 by 3. So we have m square n की पावर 2 by 3 as cos square theta plus m n square की पावर 2 by 3 is sin square theta, and we know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. So we have proved our answer.